What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I have a whole bunch of new stuff for you guys to unbox, and it's all beauty products. So this is stuff that I have gotten over the last month and a half or maybe 2 months, and I haven't unboxed it. So it's all just been sitting in my new inbox and I haven't touched it at all. So all this stuff, you can see it's like completely still brand new and wrapped. So I wanted to go through some of this stuff with you guys because I wanted to introduce you to some new things that I've gotten. There are some new items in here that I've never tried before. Actually, most of this stuff I've never tried before. So I wanted to let you guys in on that, and just in case you might be interested. So I haven't done a beauty video in a while, right? So just as like a quick refresh, for those of you that are new, or for those of you that, you know, haven't seen me in a while, I do new in beauty videos because I wanted to let you guys know, hey, look, this is what I've gotten. So in case down the track, you are thinking of buying it, if you're thinking of trying it out for yourself, you can come back to my channel and know what my thoughts are on it. I do some beauty reviews. I like to just let you guys know what I'm using and how I'm liking it, because at the end of the day, the core of what I'm trying to do is to give you guys as much information as possible to help you guys live your best life. And that's kind of what this sort of video is all about for me and for you guys. You know, I want to unbox things with you guys and raise an eyebrow with you and say, oh, that's kind of interesting. If, you know, maybe that particular product hasn't been on your radar, maybe now you're like, oh, I kind of want to try that now. That sounds good. But yeah, with that in mind, if you guys are thinking about any of these products, or if any of these products interest you, definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and follow me on Instagram. I have a whole bunch of empty bottles sitting in my drawer at the moment, my beauty drawer, and I'm waiting for a little bit down the track, building that up so that I can just do a video with you guys listing out you know, the pros, the cons, would I repurchase it, you know, that sort of stuff. And I quickly wanted to touch on my giveaway. So I have picked out the 3 winners. At this point in time while I'm filming, I haven't actually contacted the 3 people yet. So I will be doing that. I haven't actually checked whether those 3 people have done all of those things, but if they haven't done those things, then I will redo my drawing system, which is I assign each comment or each entry with a number, and then I will just do a random number generator from a website. I think it's like rng.com or something like that. So I will be reaching out to those 3 people once I've checked that they have met all of those conditions, and then I will sort out how to get across the prize. So thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel thus far. I have received quite a good growth and I really do appreciate it. It means really a lot to me. So I'm going to stop babbling now and I'm going to get right into the video. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first item I wanted to talk about is, I'm just going to grab, there's no in no particular order, I'm just going to grab it, and it's going to be this new primer that I got. It is the Porefessional from Benefit, the Pearl Primer. So you get the 22 milliliter bottle, and then you get a bonus bottle of 7.5 milliliters. And for those of you that have followed me for a while, you know that I live on sample sizes. You know, these little travel size or sample sizes, I live on them. I'm thinking of doing another giveaway, maybe a little bit down the track, just a box of mixed goodies with skincare and some makeup, you know, all sample sizes. A lot of people will kind of like look down on samples and think, oh, you know, that's so silly, why do that? Doing samples gives you the ability to try a lot of different products in a short amount of time. Say for example, you have the sample size of the Porefessional primer. This is like, it can last me a month, and for whatever product, a month is more than you need to test and try out any product and know whether or not you're actually going to be happy with it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think that I should do that, or if you guys would be interested in getting sent a box of these little goodies. I don't know what I have yet, but I'll have a look, and there's probably a bunch of stuff that I haven't tried yet myself that I might just send away to you guys, and then you guys can let me know, the winner can let me know whether or not you like it, and then I can go and buy it myself. But yeah, so I got the Porefessional primer. It's meant to be oil-free, lightweight, silky, and a touch of soft pink. So it will really help kind of smooth out your pores, fill out those pores, and smooth out the texture on your skin. I've actually used this on my application today, and I've looked in the mirror and I've actually noticed that under my eye with my concealer and just where I have like hyperpigmentation, it has actually smoothed out the texture of my cheeks a lot. So I'm enjoying this at the moment. But yeah, so stay tuned if you want to know whether or not this actually is going to be something that I would recommend to you guys. Now, next up is I'm going to unwrap this, and for those of you that have followed me for a while, hold on. So for those of you that have followed me for a while, you will know that I am absolutely in love with this particular product. So I feel like it's not something I even need to put in my empty bottles videos and whether I recommend it, because it's very clear that I do recommend it. And for those of you that are new, this is what I got. The Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Foreplay Moisturising Shower Cream Gel. So this is a shower gel, obviously. This is my 7th bottle that I've purchased. So you can tell that I am really, really loving this product, and it's so, so good. It is hella expensive, don't get me wrong, guys. This was $42, so it's definitely not cheap, but it really does do wonders for your skin. I've said this before in my empty bottles videos in my previous one. I mentioned that with this, it is so moisturizing to your skin. I don't know about you guys, but for the longest time, every time I come out of the shower, especially in winter when the air is really dry and cold, my skin gets really dry and it gets really cracked. So every time I get out of the shower, I have to actually put on moisturizer or body butter or something like that. But ever since I started using this, I've not had to do that at all. It also smells amazing. Every time my partner walks up to me, he's like, "You smell so, so good." And I'm like, "Of course, darling. It costs to smell good, babe." But in all honesty, it is really, this is such an amazing product. I love this. So I highly recommend it to anyone who would like to try out something new. And I really think that you should take luxury not just in your beauty products or in your clothes and your handbags, accessories, jewelry. I think you should take it with you, you know, into the shower, because I think in the bathroom, in the shower, you're naked, you're vulnerable, you're at your most personal moments. So why not splurge just a little bit to make yourself feel even better? Shower gel is definitely, I think, a good way to start, because it really makes yourself feel so good at your core. And skin, your body skin as well as your facial skin, is so important. So why not treat it right? This is a really good shower gel. And the next product I'm going to talk about is I have 2 boxes of goodies. I'm just going to whiz through these because these are bonus samples that I got from purchasing from Mecca. They also recently did a sale as well. I got a really expensive packet here. It's skin treatment that I will reveal at the end, but I got these 2 as bonus boxes. So I will quickly whiz through what I got in here, which is part of the membership with Mecca. So every 3 months you get a beauty box, and it's just full of samples, and I think it's lovely because it just gives me a chance to try everything. So the first kind of sample that you get is the AmorePacific Treatment Enzyme Peel Cleansing Powder. It's supposed to be a dense foam generated by powder. It removes impurities and stubborn dead skin cells. Perfect. Its gentle yet effective plant-based enzyme makes skin look bright and healthy, and the specially designed container discharges an amount for 1 session use when turning the cap vertically. So that's obviously in the full size. This is just a sample, so I might put this in the giveaway box. I'm not sure yet, because the reason that I might give this away is because I've got another treatment peel. Just a little hint about what I've got in that big box that's really expensive. I got another treatment, so I might give this away. The next is Aveda Nutriplenish Shampoo. And I have used this shampoo in the past, and I can attest that it is really, really good. Although I think for a shampoo, because you do use quite a bit, this will probably not last you a month, but a bottle like this will last you probably like a good solid week, which is enough to test the difference in your hair compared to say your supermarket or your drugstore shampoo. The next product is the Chantecaille Stress Repair Concentrate. It's an eye cream, so you're supposed to gently smooth over your eye and lip contour morning and night. So that's really nice. This has 3 milliliters or 0.1 fluid ounce. So it, especially with an eye cream, you know, you don't need that much. You just spread it under your eye. 3 milliliters will probably last you a good solid 2 to 3 weeks, which will be enough time to test, you know, puffiness, your wrinkles. Do you feel your skin a little bit tighter? So it's good. I might actually keep this for myself. Never heard of this brand before, so I am excited to give this a shot. Last but not least, it is this little product here is the Nars Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base, which I think is something I'm going to keep because I have just started getting into eye makeup, doing it properly. So I'm really into getting that eyeshadow primer because I've never even thought about eyeshadow primer before. I kind of think that eyeshadow primer has always been such a gimmick because I'm like, well, why do you need eyeshadow primer? I've done a lot of research into it recently and I think that it's really good. It kind of just smooths your eye over exactly like a normal primer would do. Put on the product a lot easier and it sticks a lot more, so that would be really good. Now, the next one is another box from Mecca called Clickable Beauty. So they have a bunch of products that are not available in their brick and mortar stores. So it can only be purchased online. So they were doing a promotion, and if you purchased a certain amount, you get a box of goodies from their online only selection. You get a little wrapped up like this, which I think is so cute, and it's not huge, but what you get is, the first one is Hair Ritual by Sisley Paris. It's a precious hair care oil for glossiness and nutrition. It's kind of like a mask, I suppose, for your hair, which is really nice. My hair, recently, I have created a hair station in my closet now. So next time I'll whip you guys around and show you, but all of my hair products, my hair straightener, my hair dryer, my hair sprays and stuff, they're all kind of in my closet now because I kind of find it a lot easier to do my hair and my makeup and getting changed in my closet. I haven't done my hair properly in a really long time, so you can see, well, maybe you can't, but hopefully you can see it's a little bit sleeker, it's more styled at the moment, but I haven't been doing my hair for the longest time. I've been really lazy and I think you guys can relate to that a little bit, but yeah, so it's been really lazy and I wanted to motivate myself. I wanted to make it as easy as possible to actually get it done, so I moved all my hair stuff into my closet and I have a little tray set up, and that's my hair station. Having this essential oil for my hair will actually be really good because I will be able to replenish the extra damage that I am going to be doing to it from now on. So I'm really excited to try this. The next product is from the brand called Slip, and it is a pure silk skinny scrunchie. I have absolutely no use for this. My hair is not long enough for a scrunchie. It's so short, and I have like a hair wrap that I use when my hair's wet, so I don't really need that. So I might stick this in the goodie giveaway box. And last but not least, the next product we have is the Elizabeth Arden the 8-Hour Cream Skin Protectant. It's the all day, all night, all-in-one beauty secret. This legendary skincare classic works wonders to moisturize and protect anytime, any way you choose. Shape brows, revitalize shine, soothe dry hands, and smooth cuticles and nails. Wow, so I've been a big fan of Elizabeth Arden for a while. I have to say this particular product has never been on my radar. I've not even heard of it. This is insane. 8-Hour Cream Skin Protectant. So they're basically claiming that it can do anything. Shape your brows, revitalize your shine, soothe your dry hands, smooth your cuticles and nails. So is it just like a moisturizer that you can just put on anywhere? I have no idea, guys. This is so bizarre to me. So I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm very intrigued. So I'm very excited to try this out. Let me know if you guys have actually heard of this product, or you might have actually tried it yourself, and leave a comment below and let me know, because I would really like to know your thoughts on this product. Yeah, this is so bizarre, but I'm actually really excited. Okay, anyways, moving on to the final product. What I have here, and oh, okay, so it turns out I bought something else as well. I didn't even know. Okay, so the second last product I got is from a brand called Perricone MD, the No Makeup Foundation Serum with SPF 20. Oh, that's right, I remember. I picked this out because I have been wanting to get a kind of no makeup look where it looks really natural, really pared back. And I have gotten a lot of good reviews from this. I've received a lot of good feedback. It's supposed to help prevent sunburn, and it also decreases the chance of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by exposure to the sun. Not just sunscreen, but it's also skincare as well. So it's a skin improving serum foundation that creates a semi-matte finish with buildable coverage. So yeah, it's like that no makeup look, which is exactly what I want when you go to work. You don't want to be over the top. And the last thing that I wanted to talk about is this product from Dr. Dennis Gross, or Gross, not sure how you pronounce it. It is the Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. So it's kind of like a mask or a peel mask, and you apply it every single day. Supposed to strip back your, strip all the dead skin cells off. It's supposed to revitalize your skin and invigorate your skin cells to regenerate fresh skin. That way you get younger looking skin, they're more buoyant, it's more elastic, I should say, and I think it's just better overall. And the reason that I need that is because I have hyperpigmentation along this side of my face and up this side of my face. So there are a lot of red marks, and some of those marks aren't just red, they're like a deep black. So it's like sun damage, it's also acne damaged. I have like big craters on my face as well. And so I went on a search, I went on a discovery journey, and I found this product. So these are pre-soaked pads. You get 30 of them. It's a two-step process. The first one is the exfoliate and soothing process. So you get a pre-soaked pad from here, wipe it across your whole face, so you exfoliate and you smooth out your skin, and then you get step 2, which is the anti-aging neutralizer. So that's where all the chemicals, that's where all the formula comes into play. This one, step 1 breaks it down. Step 2 adds in the kind of booster that your skin naturally needs, or would help your skin perform better. So I'm really excited to try this. I am going to be doing a review on this product because it's so expensive. I'll do like a before and after shot. So I'm going to be really strict on this. 30 days to see what my skin looked like at 30 days and then what my skin looked at 30 days afterwards, and see what kind of impact this product has, because it's really expensive. But if it works, then I think you guys should know about it, and I think that it's something that it will be really worth for you guys to splurge on. Okay, so that is everything. That is all of my new products, and hopefully I've made you guys raise an eyebrow or two at some of these products. If any of them are interesting to you, if you already have some of these products on your wish list, please hit that subscribe button, because I will for certain let you guys know what I think. I will try them out, let you guys know what I think. And I wanted to just finish the video by saying Happy Easter, everyone. Not the most ideal of times, certainly, but hopefully all of you will be able to spend the long weekend doing something that you love. I know that a lot of us can't go out. I know that all of us can't go out. Some of us are breaking rules. I have seen in my local neighborhood people breaking the rules, but I completely understand why, to be locked in at home for, a month, more than that, is crazy. So completely understand. But for those of us that are staying home for the long weekend, I really hope that you have the best time in the best way possible, because I think we all deserve a happy Easter break, given how miserable our recent times have been. So once again, thank you so much for your support, and thank you so much for watching on this video. Hit that subscribe button, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!